Hi, I'm Dr. Peter Osborne, founder of Gluten-Free Society and author of the international best-selling book, No Grain, No Pain. You might recognize me from my appearances on Fox, PBS, Netflix, and many other nationally recognized publications. I am super passionate about helping those with gluten sensitivity, and that's why I dedicated so many resources to creating Glutenology, the ultimate masterclass on going gluten-free. Now, this class is more than just a tutorial on how to go on a gluten-free diet. It is jam-packed with 14 hours of information broken down into 10 simple-to-understand modules. You may not know this, but researchers have found that as many as 92% of people going gluten-free fail to show improvements in intestinal damage and inflammation. That's a super alarming statistic, and that's why I created the Glutenology Masterclass, to help you navigate the healing process and overcome the destructive autoimmune-inducing properties of gluten and grains. I want to teach you what so many are doing wrong when they embark on their gluten-free journey. Some of the key concepts I'll be covering in this masterclass are, in Module 1, breaking down the definition of gluten and why this definition may be keeping you from your recovery. In Module 2, I'll cover the hidden and little discussed symptoms of gluten sensitivity. Module 3 discusses the medical confusion around testing for celiac disease and gluten sensitivity. In Module 4, I'll break down gluten-free whiplash and the different pitfalls that people fall into and mistakes they make too when initially going gluten-free. In Module 5, I teach you where to start, how to avoid hidden gluten, and also how to avoid cross-contamination when traveling and eating out at restaurants. In Module 6, I break down the 7 fundamental habits everyone must practice to restore their health after years of gluten-induced inflammation and damage. In Module 7, I cover what no doctors are discussing: nutritional status. Because vitamin and mineral deficiencies contribute to persistent symptoms even if your diet is perfect. In Module 8, we dive into all the foods that can mimic gluten and prevent you from recovering. And in Module 9, I teach strategies for those of you who have gone gluten-free but continue to struggle with health issues. And lastly, we go beyond gluten and discuss strategies for overcoming autoimmune disease. This is a master class you're not going to want to miss. Make sure you put your name and email below or to the side of this video so that you can register to receive all of this information at no charge. This is Dr. Osborne with Gluten-Free Society wishing you excellent health.